Hello, how are you? It's day 3, week 5. Okay, so we're going to go right here. This will be a very short one. I'm getting to have to sign each time. My internet is very slow. Okay, so you have the octet rule. Okay, so they go through a quick ceremony or thing, and it's just basically our noble gases. Our noble gases are very, very, very important. If you notice here, and we did those, is that neon, helium does not follow it because it just goes to 2, but its energy level is full. Then it goes to neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Okay, and then radon, but radon's actually pretty cool because it is radioactive, so you got to be careful of it, but it doesn't bond because it's just really heavy. So we have those 5 noble gases that fill the octet rule, and they want to achieve to this. So we have Gilbert Lewis right here. Okay, he was kind of wonky if you watch the video. He did something that he shouldn't have done. And then we are introduced the words of cation and anion. Okay, so please watch this video because you'll learn it. It's not cation, it's cation. So kitty cat and ion. There's a T in the middle of this, so that means that it's positive. Okay, and anion is negative. So we'll be reviewing that next week. Okay, those are your questions that you have. I'm going to view your game here. I think I took out a question, or this is, see, my mastery is really high because I've done it. Okay. So, but you guys will have something new. All right. See you next week. Holler at me at skaufman@tps501.org. Or come to our Zoom meetings at 9:30 to 10:30 every weekday. Bye, y'all.